while ago, the CDC recommended that you should wear a mask outside. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a mask. All you need is a stapler, 2 rubber bands, and a paper towel. So what you want to do, take your paper towel and fold it up like a paper fan. Then you take it like this, where it's like the flaps are up. Then you want to put the rubber bands across it. And then you take this, then you want to twist it, and then put it like that. Then you do the same to the other side. And you put it on like this. And then when you're done from going from like the grocery store, you take it off with the rubber bands. Don't touch the paper. Then you throw it away. Goodbye.